Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so in this particular question, it is asking us to find the first part of the question. They're asking, what is the probability that the collection will include at least one group from United States? So probability of at least one from United States. Okay, so at least one from United States means what? It will be equal to 1 minus probability of none of from United States. So that you can write as 1 minus probability of none from United States. So in the question it is given there are 20 orchestras are there, okay, and out of that we are selecting 5. So from United States we are not selecting anything, means it will be 7C0 into in the remaining 13 orchestra we are going to select 5. This will be the favorable case here. None from US means. Now basically there are 20 bands are there. Out of that we are selecting 5. So we'll be getting 20C5 here. So when we simplify this, we get 1 minus 7C0, we can write 1. 13C5 we can write 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 20C5 means similarly 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 into 16 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now we just have to simplify this. When we simplify, we get the answer is equal to 0.917. This will be the required probability for first part of the question. Now in the second part, it is asking us to find probability that at least 2 from United States. At least 2 from United States. So this question we can do at least 2 you are selecting from United States, means from United States there are 7 orchestra. From there you are selecting 2, means 7C2 into remaining we'll be selecting from what? Remaining 13 orchestras. So 13C3 will come. Total 5 selection is required. So 7C2 into 13C3 will be one of the option. Or at least 2 means it can be 3, it can be 4, or it can be 5. So similarly we get 7C3 into 13C2, 7C4 into 13C1, and finally everything we are selecting from US, and from 13 remaining we are not selecting anything, that is 13C0 will come. Enter numerator, we can divide with out of 20 we are selecting 5. Again we are simplifying this. 7C2, 13C3, everything we put value and simplify this, we'll be getting answer 0.594. This will be the required answer here. Now in the third part of this question, it is asking us to find probability that all 5 selection is from United States. All 5 from United States means we know in United States there are 7 orchestras out there. So 7 you are selecting 5. Remaining 13 you are not selecting anything, that is 13C0. And so this will be the favorable cases. Now we know total number of selection possible will be out of 20 you just have to select 5. Again simplify this. 7C5 into 13C0. Where you simplify, how can simplify? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 13C0 means it is 1 divided by 20C5 value we already found out here for doing The first question is just substitute all these values. We'll be getting the final answer is equal to 0.001. These are the required probabilities.